Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying what exactly is running as Trail GD and where it lives on disk. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor, find the process, and note its path. Once done, check Startup Locations, Task Manager Startup tab, System-tool, or Registry Run keys, because persistence points tell you why it returns. While you're at it, make a quick backup and create a restore point so you can undo mistakes. This prevents data loss and clarifies the next removal steps. Next, stop Trail GD immediately so files aren't locked. Use Task Manager, kill the process, or run sudo kill if on Linux. Then disable its startup entries, uncheck in Task Manager, remove systemd unit, or delete registry run values, because persistence must be cut. After stopping and disabling, delete the executable and matching DLLs from the path you recorded and remove any scheduled tasks. Make sure to scan for related file names and folders. To finish, run a full antivirus and anti-malware scan to catch hidden modules and undo registry changes left behind. This clears residual risk. Once scanned, reboot normally. If the process reappears, boot into safe mode and repeat disabling and file deletion so fewer services interfere. If you break something, restore the restore point or recover from your backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if removal fails repeatedly, check for signed installers or drivers and remove them via the appropriate package manager or device manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.